There we go. I'll leave that up for a minute. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome into the live stream. Welcome into the live stream, everybody. It's Nora the Stock Explorer. I got my guest, Michelle Morar. Guys, please go ahead and reach out to each other in the chat. Thank you so much. Wolf Spirit Productions, Lady Spellbreaker, and everybody else that is waiting in the chat. Hello, hello, hello. Check it out. I got a new intro done. TSM rapper. Let's check it out, guys. Let's check it out.
Yeah. Yo, listen, yeah. We bring some attention to the stock market. Gotta get your bread up. You know what I'm saying? That's right. Nora. Let go. Stop. Get that money. Get that money. Stop. Get that money. Yeah. Get that money. Yeah. Get that money. Get that money. Stocking that crypto. Imagine me all on my tiptoe. That money got me on a big roll. If I want it, I get a big buck. I get that money. Yeah. Get that money. Get that money. Yeah. Get that money. Stop. Yeah, stop. Yeah, stop. Get that money. Get that money.
All right, guys.
Get that money. Stocking that crypto. Yeah. Stop. Yeah. Stop.
Yeah. What?
Yeah. Stop. Yeah. Stop. Yeah. Get that money. Get that money. Yeah. Get that money. Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, that's my new intro, guys. That's my new intro. Check it out. Check out TSM Rapper if you would like a rap intro for your YouTube channel. Is Nora the Stock Explorer, guys. How's everybody doing? We got to cheer Michelle Morar up. She's on the show, but I don't think she's feeling good today. What's wrong, Michelle? Tell us all about it.
I'm tired.
Oh, tired. Spring's coming, Michelle. Don't worry. Spring is coming. I'm gonna start putting people's comments up on the screen here, guys. Good morning, everybody. We got Tally's games. We got the fabulous Lady Spellbreaker on the show. All right. We got, who else we got? We got Wolf Spirit Productions. Wolf Spirit Productions in the house. All right. Thank you guys for joining me. Appreciate you. Share it out on your Twitter or, socials so we could get the rest of the crew in here. We got some budgeting lady friends, Mom Talks and Budget in the house. Thank you so much. I appreciate that, guys. Sorry the music was skipping a little bit. That's my junky laptop, guys. Got to upgrade so you guys can hear. If you want to hear the full version, it's over on TSM, the rapper's YouTube channel. Hit him up if you would like one. And also, you can see the full music video over on his channel, guys, if you want to check that out. He's really reasonable and he's super fast. He got it to me the same day that I asked for it. So it was really cool. It was awesome. Same day, guys. He got right on it. Really amazing artist over there. TSM the rapper. Thank you, Tally. Tally shared on Twitter. Back Alley. Stock Picks is in the house. What's up, Back Alley? What's up, everybody?
Hey, Back Alley.
What's everybody doing? What's everybody doing as far as the stock market, there's some good deals out there. The Fed came out yesterday and they made some sort of announcement that they're raising rates. Guys, that's not a surprise. We know that they have to do that. So what you could do is take advantage of the dip, and some stocks took a good dip yesterday. Welcome in, Kevin from Tuber Chat. Thank you so much for joining me, Kevin. Kevin's been up there covering all that live footage up there in Ottawa. Amazing, amazing over on his Kevin K channel. So check him out and show him some love, guys. Thank you
What's he
so
been
much.
talking about? What's he been showing?
Well, they're having the freedom ride,
Convoy.
freedom protest. Oh, the
Trucking
convoy.
convoy.
I'm not sure the exact what they would like to call it, but he's been neutral as far as just covering what he sees, not weighing in either way on either side, just sort of capturing it for people to see. So it was neat to tune in and actually
Where's
see
he
the
at?
beautiful city. Right now, I think he may have head home today. I think he's heading home for family matters, as far as what I heard him say.
I thought
Um,
Family Matters was taken off the air.
his family, not the TV show. There you go, Michelle. So yeah, guys, that was pretty awesome. He got a huge turnout up there. A lot of support for the channel, so that was really amazing, and I was glad
He
to
says
tune in.
Back Alley Stock says Wonderfi is still on his watch list. What is Wonderfi?
Wonderfi. I never traded Wonderfi.
What is it?
Wonderfi. He'll have to tell us about that one. Wonderfi is still on my watch list. Great. Oh, okay. It's a blog. Is it a one of those crypto stocks? Crypto mining, maybe? Toronto. All right.
Who's in Toronto?
Kevin from Tuber Chat. Toronto and Niagara for the weekend. So he's heading back to Niagara Falls for the weekend. Family first, of course, I agree.
Where is
And then
he?
Tuber Chat.
Where is he located?
He lives right near Rainbow Bridge in Niagara Falls, from what I remember. Those are my Canadian gang signs. Yeah, so he's up there and traveling back and forth to Ottawa, wherever the Freedom Convoy is. He went and he shot hours and hours of live footage up there. It kind of looked like fun. It's just frigid, freezing cold up there. But if you live in Canada, you're probably already acclimated to the cold. It probably wouldn't be a lot of fun for me because my system is acclimated to tropical weather. So when it's 40 out, I feel like I'm freezing. But um, he did a good job. He stayed out there. They stayed out there. His friends also up there doing it. Travel Fun 69 channel, and he was smashing it up there, doing some marathon live streaming. So yeah,
Are you
a lot of
switching it
hours.
that? Are you switching it that fast? All these things?
Yeah, I'm clicking through the
I can't even
comments.
read it. I can't
I'm
even
sorry.
read
Go
it.
ahead. Help
No,
yourself.
no, no. I'm saying you're doing it so fast I can't even read it.
Okay.
There was one I wanted to see. I didn't see it. It was somebody I can't even remember. So why did you do the foreigner?
I don't know. I think they're just saying YouTube, YouTube, YouTube. They're looking for, they're looking for
YouTube?
people to go to their channel, I guess. I don't know. All right. I don't know all the slang and the terms that they use
Who's
in other countries as far as like the YouTube. Everybody has their own like YouTubeisms that they say. Um, so yeah, I've seen this
that one?
before. I believe that's Filipino.
Mahal
Um,
Gatana Vlog.
Thanks, Doc. Thanks, Doc. Thanks, Doc.
What'd you do? What did you
I don't.
interpret
I
that?
didn't do anything. I'm just.
They must have put it in English now, and they
I
typed it
guess that
down.
means thank you, thank you. I'm just guessing. I don't
Are
know.
you a doc?
Uh, no. I just play one on YouTube. No. Let's see. Wolf Spirit says, Back Alley Stock Picks, I hear you there. I spent 3 weeks off the truck and I missed that time. Now I'm back on the road again. Awesome. Wolf Spirit Productions is a lady trucker. Very, very cool. Love my trucking friends. Uh, Back Alley is also a
So what does
trucker.
she do? Does she Back Alley's a truck driver too?
Back Alley Stock Picks is a truck driver and he does a ton of hours up there in Canada.
He
He's
drives
he
in
works
Canada?
he works like a 12-hour day, I believe, from sun up to sundown. Yeah, he drives a truck. So yeah, big love to my trucker friends. You guys are very essential to the
The
supply chain and to
economy.
everything that we
To
need.
the economy.
Due to our economy, which ties into finance and the stock market, and it's all related. So thank you for keeping everything rolling. 16 to
Rolling.
21. Holy smoke, Back Alley. How
How
do
am I?
you do that?
That's
Is that even
illegal in
legal?
America. No, it's not. No, and unless it was they took the whatever down. Maybe
A day? Holy smoke. I knew you work a lot, but I didn't know it was quite that long of a day. Wow. Much respect to you, Back Alley. Holy smokus.
how does he have time for YouTube?
He does it right on the truck. He does it right sitting in the driver's seat. You have to go over in his channel and watch some of his videos. He puts us on the steering wheel sometimes and spins spins the steering wheel, and you you just go around and around while he's steering.
Please,
It's
please
pretty
stop.
hilarious.
You're making me. I'm getting dizzy.
I'm sorry.
I'm getting dizzy. I may fall over.
Michelle may or may not have had some Roni Rona.
I did. I lived.
I know you. I knew you'd live. I was checking on you. You go live in the truck. Yeah, that's what the van lifers do and the truck and the truckers
Live.
do.
It says we live in the truck. We live.
Thank you. See, that's why I brought you on the show, Michelle. You gotta keep me on track. Thank you. We live in the truck. Durr. Okay.
Good.
But I'm sure they go live. If they live in the truck, then they're going live in the truck too. I'm just guessing. I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure they do. Back. Oh my God.
What?
Get it out. Get it out of you.
Mm. I need some.
Canada's hours of service are a little different than the US. Wow, I guess so, because I don't think they let our truckers go for that long without pulling
No, you're
over.
only supposed to be able to do it, I thought, like 10
So
hours at a time before you have to take
they
a.
live in and go live in the truck. It's pretty cool. I'm a little jelly. I would
He,
probably love
he
that.
have mouths to feed and the money is better with overtime. He's got children. He's got the children to feed. He's got children. Children. Feed those mouths. Oh my.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going to
Thank
have to
you.
go live here in a little while and do one of my shows since you had no idea that I'm going to be talking about,
I
the.
didn't know. No, you didn't tell me.
No, I'm saying I'm going to have to go live. Well, actually, I don't know. I don't. It's 10:42. Are you going to talk about stocks sometime
I'm
today?
polar popping it.
I need a
It's a
pull.
little later in the morning, so I had my coffee and now I'm having my Diet Coke. Yes, I am. I wanted to give a couple stock trade ideas. Um,
I'm going to. I have yet to fund my stupid Robinhood. I'm trying to get it done, Nora, so that I can do the. I'm going to start my little options
hey,
trading
Mass.
because hey, there's Masshole, the Masshole from the Masshole
Mass
State.
hole grower. Let's make them a song. Ready? Mass
No,
hole
no, the
grower.
Masshole grower from the Masshole State. Massholes for Masshole. Why
Oh
are
my
you
God.
laughing?
Oh my God.
This
Wolf
is
Spirit saying hello, Mass. So is Lady. Lady. She's already friends with Masshole. That's how I met him. Wolf Spirit. Kevin saying hello. So yeah, you got any stock
I
picks for us, Michelle? We want to know.
uh no, but I did. I was watching your dude. I've been watching him recently, talking about the options play. What's his name? Kevin, or what is it? Investing with Henry, right?
Well, that's not my dude, but he's one of the people I follow.
He's one of the dudes that you follow for option trading. He is one of the dudes. Don't be like that, Nora. Don't. I know you have
He's
your
not my
main.
dude though. He's not
I
my.
know you've got your
I
main.
promote Capitalist Academy.
I
He's
know.
just
I don't.
somebody I watch. I'm just want to be. Gotta give my shout outs and props to Peter DiCarlo. He's my number one. But I do watch Investing with Henry.
Did you learn how to
Now he
do?
does have some good option plays. I'll give him props. Yes, he does.
Well, he was talking about growing it, and I'm just going to start learning how to do it and do it. Just check out the stat that Bitcoin dips at full moon. Huh? Where in the world did he come up with that?
Oh, that's interesting. I never noticed that. Really? Bitcoin dips when there's a that now there's something you're not going to hear on any other channel because of
With
our wonderful variety of subscribers here. We get a little bit of an insight. As you know, when there is a full moon, a lot of things happen. So yeah, that's
crazy
interesting.
comes out.
Oh, he said I'm yeah, you're my dude too, Back Alley. You're my dude. You're my dude. Oh, that's sweet. Okay.
She don't really.
After Peter, yeah, I got it. And Kevin from Tuber Chat.
We're talking about stocks. I didn't know
All
Tuber
right.
Food was a. And specifically, I was talking about. Hey, there's
Hey
Yogi.
Lisa. What's up? What's up? Thank you, Yogi Hollow Farm. Appreciate it. I'm here listening and finishing. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that.
I'm just talking about options, specifically options, because that's how you can grow a small account, and that's what I wanted to show people how to do. Because honestly,
Okay.
the fact of the matter is most people in America, or I'm assuming in Canada as well,
Mm-hmm.
don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars necessarily yet. And people on YouTube go around pretending that everybody has millions of dollars, and I just think that's
Right.
crazy and idiotic. You need to help
No.
grow their small accounts into bigger
Mm-hmm.
accounts. And
Wolf Spirit says she just got Weeble and doesn't know what to buy. She has $50 in there and the last time I was live, she said she didn't know what to buy. If you had $50 in Weeble, what would you buy, Michelle?
I'd be adding money into the account is what I would do.
Just add.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I mean, she could, if she wanted to get, a $20 stock like AT&T or MRO or Ford or something like that, then she could get,
Ford's a good one. Mm-hmm.
possibly a couple of shares of that. But I was thinking about dividends and reinvesting the dividends. But $50, you're not going to be able to do very much with it. You've got to put more money in it. You've just got
Yeah,
to
just
put
build
more
it
money.
up and have a nice little dry powder. That's what they call it, stacking up your dry powder, your money in the account itself. And they do give you a little interest, I think. So it's not going to hurt it to let it sit there. I
Who?
kind of
I
agree.
would.
It's good to have that ready to pounce, have that money ready to put to work when you see a big dip, you
Why
can
did
be
she
like, all
buy?
right.
Why did she get Weevil? Why does she want to have the Chinese? Why?
I mean, I have it because it
I
lets you
know you
start.
have one. I've told you what I feel about
I
this.
know. Do you know why I have it? Because you can start trading pre-market at like 4 in the morning. And some people like that because of their schedule.
Uh,
Probably not a great idea,
some
but
people like to have the Chinese able to absolutely, you know,
okay. Oh,
you
she bought a share. That's a good one. I like that. You're
forward.
fine with that. Yeah, you're not going to go wrong with that.
I mean, at $50, I started out with $25 a month. I can't remember that trading. It was taken out of my bank account,
Hmm.
$25 a month, and
Okay.
actually started out like that, and
Mm-hmm.
it
Who
has
got
brought.
you started? Didn't you say your uncle?
Well, no, I mean, yeah, he piqued my interest when I was a younger child, but I mean, I've always had an
Okay.
interest. So, but
Okay.
I'm saying, how did I start? I started out with who did I start out buying? And yeah, I will tell. Who is that has just the one stock of Ford? Who is it?
Wolf Spirit Productions.
Wolf Spirit Productions. Do not diversify. You want to build a position. Build a position. Do not. I mean, that was the biggest mistake that I made. Why are you
Because you
focusing
always like to see freedom. So I brought her up here real
on
quick.
freedom?
Say hi, Michelle.
Freedom. I'm just saying you need to build a position. If you think Ford is where you want to start out building a position, then start out
Mm-hmm.
building to get enough shares of stock. That was one of the things that I did that I wish I hadn't. I was too diversified. You go, oh, you got to be
Mm-hmm.
diversified. Well, you can't be diversified when you have $50, $100, $300 a year. You just can't.
Right, right.
That was the biggest mistake that I made. So I'm trying to
Okay.
help.
That's good insight. That's true.
$50 a week, but we want to pay off the car in 6 months instead of 6 years.
I
Well,
hope I welcomed everybody in, guys. Thank you so much
big
for
movie
joining the
fan,
chat.
18 plus. Big movie fan, 18 plus. What does that mean?
He's got a channel with movie clips, so that's
And
his
they have to be
channel.
18 plus to
Well,
watch
there
it.
might be some R-rated movies on there. I don't know. If
And you
you're
think that's
18
fun?
plus, you should say that you're 18 plus. If you're
It's
not family friendly, I'm not sure. I mean, I've watched some of his movie clips. They seem
you're
fine to
over
me.
18.
But I'm way over 18. I'm 18 to the fourth power. I'm way over. I'm vintage now.
You're past vintage.
Oh wow, thanks Michelle. Thank you.
You're not 72
Hey,
years
we got
old.
Leroy. He slid in. Hey, what's up, Leroy?
You're not 18 to the fourth power, Nora. You're not 72.
Oh, thank God. Okay. Appreciate that.
If you were 72, I was going to need to write you a Medicare supplement or Medicare
I
Advantage.
would I would be calling you about that, get me on a good supplement plan.
Yeah. I mean,
I feel 72 sometimes, but I'm
yarn
not.
barf.
Yarn Barb. I call her Yarny.
What
Yarn.
is
She's a lady trucker, or was a lady trucker. I think she's retired now.
she? Yeah.
Most of the time, my channel is family friendly. I try to keep it that way. Uh, Try to remind people that you never know who's watching. You just never know. But yeah, Yarny is a lady trucker.
Mm-hmm.
I think she's in North Carolina. Yarnbarf, aren't you up in North Carolina? Didn't that where you found yourself a place?
Yes, everybody's moving here.
I might move up there,
What's her
Michelle.
name?
Watch
Michelle
out. I
with
want to go to Biscuitville. I know that.
the
I
dogs
had a
probably will.
I had a biscuit for breakfast, and they had a little piece of one too. I
The
got it
dogs
at
would
the.
love it.
They would love that. Yes, they would. It sounds like a nice place to be.
Yeah.
You get all four seasons.
She's in. Oh my God, she's in Stokes County. Hey,
She's
I'm in
mad cool.
Greensboro.
You should add her as a friend. I think you guys would get along too.
Yarn
Thanks
bar.
for hanging out, Kevin. I appreciate it. Kevin, he's got an action-packed
She.
week. He did the Freedom Convoy, and now he's going to do Tuber Chat later today. So set the reminder for that, guys. I usually try to tune in and be over there. Let's see. Wolf Spirit.
Make
The
sure they're
kind of
going to
money we
pay
make trucking.
900 a week instead of 455.
Wow.
Get the car paid off and say
She's
10,000.
making more than me. You're doing right now anyway. I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it.
Working on it. I'm gonna work on it now.
I'm working on it hard. Getting up at 5 a.m., going to school,
School.
going to school.
Why are
What's
you?
up, Leroy? What's going on? Are you out riding around, Leroy? I think I sent you the link, Leroy. I think I did. And I got to get your email, Kevin, because I'd be happy to send you a link if you would like to come on. But I knew you had family stuff today. He's doing family things, so I didn't figure I could ask you today because I know you're busy. But maybe the next one I'll have you come up if you'd like to come up on the panel. Thanks so much, Nora. You're welcome. You're welcome. So, guys, before I get too off track, I do the short videos with my stock picks. If you had picked DraftKings at $20 and change, you would have made money. So, I just want to say that was a good call out. I don't do stock picks unless I feel pretty confident on it. So, guys, if you see me do a stock pick, like, hey, you might want to put this on your watch list, you might make a little bit of money on it. And DraftKings is a good one, and I think it still has some room to run. Another one is SoFi. Um, the Super Bowl is actually going to be in the SoFi Stadium, and I think they're going to get a lot of exposure that way. So you may want to put SoFi, ticker SOFI, on your watch list. Wanted to put those two ideas out there for you guys. I know Michelle will be watching the Super Bowl. She's a big football fan, and I'll be watching it probably on the TV at work because I work Sunday night. But I'm happy to tune in at work and I can watch it there. And you got the Bengals, right, Michelle? Don't
I,
you have the Bengals?
I didn't make any
Or did you
predictions.
switch up?
I haven't made any predictions as of yet. I mean, you've got to understand that that's the Los Angeles Rams home stadium. That's a big, huge advantage.
Okay.
I just think Burrows is an awesome, awesome dude. Joe Burrows is awesome. He's
Hmm.
he's got some cojones.
Okay. What are those, Michelle? Can you? No, just kidding.
Do you want me to explain it?
No, no, not on my channel.
It's got cojones. Dude is amazing. He is a true leader, and I am perplexed because I love Matthew Stafford. I think Matthew Stafford, was stuck at the Lions for a long time, and I'm just happy as can be. I don't really have but you got to say, hey, look,
Whoa! Are you serious, Wolf Spirit?
what?
Holy smoke! I'm in the
Put it
wrong
up.
field.
Would you put it
Wolf
up there?
Spirit, you could be making money hand over fist with some of our options ideas. I tell
Could
you
you
what.
please put it up? I don't understand.
I
I don't.
just did. I
This
thought I
is Good
did.
Afternoon
Hold on.
Stock Explorer. Bernie's
I'm
Arts.
sorry I clicked it and it didn't go up. Holy smoke.
Kayla Christopher. That's fantastic.
That's awesome.
He's
You could
probably
be killing it because there's strategies where you can just let your money work for you, like selling cash covered calls or selling puts.
selling puts.
Selling puts,
Selling
baby,
puts.
selling puts. I sold cash covered calls on Astra Space and I made the premium. Boom, because it went down. They did the launch and then some, I don't know, some news
I
blast
heard this
happened.
week. I heard this week talking about SPCE that what happened to them.
I still have SPE stock. I don't know, but it seems like
SPCE.
that's Virgin Galactic.
I know.
I have some Virgin Galactic stock. I believe in that company long term. If you know who Richard Branson is, he's a very
I do.
aggressively successful man. He will make sure that company is successful, guys. Don't you have to look at the person behind the company. They're just so driven and Richard Branson is amazing. He's Sir Richard Branson. They knighted him. But anyway, guys, that's a dirt cheap stock that you can scoop up now on the cheap and just hold it for like 3 to 5 years. That's the easy peasy lemon squeezy right there. But that's my opinion, right, guys?
That's your opinion. I don't think you're making any financial stock
No, I'm
advice.
not giving advice, but If I had a whole bunch of money, I'd probably be scooping up more SPCE because I believe in the CEO. Don't you think?
I made money on him last year.
Yeah, I've made some space.
I don't
I've
have
made
it.
some space tendies.
I don't have it now, but I did make some money.
That's why I put the astronaut on my thumbnail because I love my space stocks. I love Astra, ASTR, fantastic stock pick, penny stock pick on the cheap. It was $3 and some change. Guys, that's a ridiculous price for that. Scoop that up. You're going to play the drums now, Michelle? Have you ever seen the chart where the guy's portfolio takes a massive drop and the caption says, when you tell when I discovered options. Oh, that's so funny. Yeah, they can really they can do a real dumperoony McFatty. They're risky.
Uh,
They can be risky.
if you're selling the options, that's when you're getting the premium, and that's
Yeah,
way.
when you buy options, you're very risky, but when you sell options, now you're in a whole nother ball field. Yeah, that's a good one, Yarny. And some SoFi, because like I said, they're going to be in SoFi Stadium. So people are, of course, going to see that ad and maybe look into it. And they actually had pretty decent earnings for the most part, and they're only going to get bigger and better. So yeah. Back Alley says there's a stock for everyone. Absolutely. If you like wellness and health and herbal healing and things like that, we all know there's the 420 stocks if you like that sort of thing and other things that you can invest in. Plant-based food stocks, which are huge. Oatly is one, OTLY, guys, a great one for the watch list. Oatly, Tattoo Chef, TTCF, um, and of course, Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat, BYND, is another huge one that I think that's going to get so big because they're just going to start making snacks, I believe, with the Beyond products. And then we're going to be having that available as a snack, like a jerky and stuff like that. So, yeah, I think they have a lot of things that, yeah, the Dumperoonie McFatty. I said that when I was watching Dogecoin the night that it dumped. That was pretty funny. Well, it wasn't funny for my portfolio, but it was kind of funny because I was live when it happened.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it's a great price now, but
Who?
uh, mm, unfortunately, I bought a lot of it up at around the 40 cent mark. So, wah, wah, I'm holding on to my Doges for a good long while. Don't give Michelle any more coffee. I don't think she drinks coffee. Were you dipping into the Mountain Dew, Michelle?
When?
MYLK, there's another one. They
Mm,
make isn't that that's a plant-based food company. They're hot. People love researching them too. There's a whole community of people that love the plant-based stocks. There's a whole channel dedicated to it. He started the same time I did. Maybe that's what I should have did. I should have just started
should have
talking
did.
about plant stocks, but I like talking about everything. Hi, Dimitri. Hey, Dimitri came in. Hello. Good morning, Dimitri
Hey, Dimitri.
from Mountain of Inspiration. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I listened to my Capitalist Academy live stream this morning. And then I got my live stream ready, guys. If you ever want to
Yeah,
join the
but you
Stock
haven't
Market
told us
Academy,
anything.
check out my link.
You haven't said anything that you are looking at. You've not
Yeah, I
told us
did. I like DraftKings. Is still holding that. I like SoFi.
what.
I'm holding
Wait a
that.
second. What did you get in at with DraftKings? When did you get in, and
I
why
got
are
in
you?
when it was like $20.50. I don't know. It logged Robinhood logged me out. I can't even look at it right now. But yeah, I got in DraftKings at 20 and some change,
What
and it
for?
ran up to 22-ish, and then it went back down. So yeah, you just ride the wave.
No, I mean, no. I'm saying how long have you had the stock, and how long are you projecting to hold on to it? How many? I mean, come on,
How
explain.
long? I don't know. Probably a month or two.
So this is a swing trade for you,
Yeah,
basically.
that's a swing. DraftKings is a swing trade because if you look last year, it sort of spiked right around the time the Super Bowl happened, and it did very well all the way up until the start of baseball season.
Well,
So
baseball
it
is
did
going
well all the
to
way out until April. So DraftKings might be
evidently.
one.
Are you going to listen?
Yes, ma'am.
Evidently, baseball may not happen this year. They may go on strike.
Really? That's
Yep.
interesting.
So you may want to get out before April. What are you looking at? It's silent.
I was looking at the chat. We have that way. Welcome in that way. They have a different outlook on money.
Who?
Lady Spellbreaker, she's trying not to get too caught up in the money thing. But of course, guys, my channel is stock market, so there's no way around it. We talk about money. That's what we do. And some crypto. I like talking about crypto as well. So yeah, I try to maximize what my assets because as you know, I'm not making a ton of money and I'm a student right now. So the money I do get, I try to make it go as far as I can. What's on your mind, Michelle? What stocks were you picking this? Like, what were you watching this week? We watched all the earnings play out. Twitter actually did half decently. I was
You didn't.
surprised, but I wasn't in Twitter because it was too.
You didn't put up the earnings whisperer,
No,
or
it's not up yet. I don't have that ready for next week yet. Um, Twitter did pretty good. Affirm did bad, and some other news came out with Affirm, so I would shy away from Affirm for now. Um, that was kind of a mess. They put a tweet out and it messed up their earnings call and everything.
did you
So
lose
Affirm
money?
went down. Yeah, but I have to hold it
You
sort
don't
of.
have to.
Well, I
You
only
don't.
have 10 shares of it at this point, so I'm not really sweating it. I'm just hanging on to it. But yeah, that didn't fare well, but I'm going to after earnings is over and you let the dust settle, a lot of times stocks will slowly start to go back up anyway. So I'm just letting that happen. I'm not averaging down on it though. It's not a high conviction stock pick for me at this point. I bought it when Big Money bought it and Big Money was actually wrong. Uh, on a firm. So unfortunately, you can't always roll with what big money's doing. 95% of the time you can, but sometimes even they're wrong.
Well,
So
why
I got a
don't
little
you?
burnt on a firm, and it wasn't even a stock I really had a whole lot of research into, but I was following big money and I got a little burned with that, but not much. I mean, I think I only had 20 shares. I sold 10 of them off at a loss and I'm still holding 10. So that's how I'm rolling with that. I'm just, patience is key, guys. A fool and their money are soon parted. Old saying, right? So patience is definitely key, guys. Patience is key. And be grateful for what you have. Absolutely. I'm very grateful. I'm almost finished this course I've been in for 5 months, and it's
I'm curious. Why are you threatening to move to North Carolina?
who me?
Yeah,
I'm not threatening to move. I
you
said it
said
sounds like it would be a nice place. If I got a great job offer up there, I would consider it, but I'm not moving at the moment. I'm not
I would
moving
stay
at the
in Florida.
moment, guys.
I would stay in Florida.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna stay in Florida. Gotta rock with Florida, guys. Gotta still rock with Florida. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm gonna put I'm gonna put the wrap up here for a minute and then give me about a minute to take a little break. All right, guys, just hang on with me, guys. All right, gonna play this. This is from TSM Rapper, guys. TSM Rapper. All right. Let's see if it'll play. Let's see if it'll play. Michelle.
What?
There you
What?
go.
What? What? What?
Is it playing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Was. It's not now.
Okay, hold on. There we
Yeah,
go.
yeah.
Yo. Yeah,
Yo,
yeah.
listen, yeah. We bring attention to the stock market. Gotta get your bread up. You feel me? That's right. Nora, the stock explorer from Florida. Let go. Stop, 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 stop. Money. Get that money. Get that money. Get that money. Stop, 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 stop. Get that money. Yeah, yeah. Get that money. Yeah, yeah. Get that money. Get that money. Stocking that crypto. Imagine me on my tiptoe. That money got me on a big road. If I want it, I get the big boat. I get that money. Yeah, yeah. Get that money. Get that money. Yeah, yeah. Get that money. Stop, stop, stop. Yeah. Stop, stop, yeah. Stop, stop, yeah. Stop, get that money. Stocking that crypto. Get that money. That crypto. Get that money. Stocking that crypto. Get that money. Yeah. Stop, stop, yeah. Stop, stop, yeah. Stop, stop, yeah. Stop, stop, yeah. Get that money. Get that money. Yeah. Get that money. Yeah. Get that money.
All right. TSM the rapper. Big up to you, TSM. For the intro rap. Boom. All right. How'd you like that, Michelle?
It's good. When I get
That's
it,
good. Okay.
when I
You
get
want one?
when I get a, I'm going on Uber right here. So when I get an order, I'm gonna have to leave out of here.
Mm-hmm.
That's what happens.
Oh yeah, no worries, no worries. I think I'm
It's
gonna
11 o'clock. It's
probably wrap it up,
11:11.
guys. I appreciate it.
It's 11
Yeah, I
11.
gotta I gotta get myself ready. 11:11, baby. 11:11.
Somebody won some money in one of the
Thanks
scratch
everybody
offs.
for joining me.
Somebody won something in the scratch. Oh, Smoothie King.
Oh, you
That's
got a
what it
hit?
was. Yeah, that's pretty
Thank
quick.
you, Yogi Hollow. Appreciate it.
See you later.
Head to your pickup at
All right, guys, I'm gonna end up the stream. Thanks for joining me, guys. Join me again on Sunday. I'm gonna try to come back on Sunday, guys, and we can talk some more about some stock market picks. Budgeting with Free. Thank you for joining me. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you. Thanks, Wolf Spirit Productions, Tuber Chat, Lady Spellbreaker, everybody that stayed through the whole chat. Much love, mega love, shout outs, guys. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.